setting up for a basketball tournament. It's coming up tomorrow. It's gonna be in Mansville, Texas. Yeah, so today's planning day. Already got everything we need. It's a lot. And we're just setting up the trailer. This is where the magic happens. Now we're just setting up gear. I'm waiting for the other engineer, Trevor. And yeah, so what we got is the basic setup. And the camera operators we're gonna send out tomorrow have, along with us, here's our crews, and that's for our to-do list for today. So yeah, we are gonna start setting up the kits and set up on our pre-production packets and documents what we need for tomorrow, and we'll be set. There he is running. He sees me, he's smiling. Little update, as of now, we started to running inventory in a way, just to make sure every kid has what they need, and that way we can go ahead and set everything up the way it needs to today and tomorrow. Since we're going to be out of town for the next 3 days, we won't have time to come back to the actual trailer. It's a good way to do this kind of stuff because working in production, you tend to have ADHD. I could speak for that, and your mind's always all over the place. So it's better for you to have things in writing. In my case, I have to do it because if not, I'm not going to get things done. I have to write all that. We've already checked off a few things, but yeah, this is so we can go ahead and like kind of clean up our act for kit making wise, because we have roughly, these are all the games we're going to be doing. Each different time is a different game. We're going to be from, see, my call time is 7:30, and my last game starts at 7:30 p.m. So yeah, it's better that we have these lists just so we can have everything in writing. We make sure we know what we're taking. We make sure everything is in the case while we build the cases. And if we're leaving, we gotta make sure we have everything that's on this list too. Because if not, we're out of town. That's our ass. Like, that's it. Like, we have to replace that. So yeah, at the moment, that's what we're doing right now. Well, that's what I'm doing right now. Trevor, my boy, he's over there. He's looking for tape because we are gonna try to organize the kits, like, so we know which one's which. So I put pink for the main and yellow for the secondary. But yeah, that's what I'm doing so far. So we'll see how we keep going. Now getting to the work site where there's actual light. So far, we've added stingers, some HDMI cords, SDI, and about all the cases. But yeah, so this is pretty much pre-production for today. Nothing else. We just finished these off, and we still have more. And now he's in there, in the warmth, which is where I'm gonna go, because it's very cold. Trevor, what are we doing today?
We're clearing out cases, getting stuff ready for the tournament we got going on this week. Running 5 cameras, 6 different live streams, 3 locations, 96 games. It's gonna be a lot.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot. Yeah, we were just doing some last minute
Could you look around the garage real quick?
confirms.
See if there's anything in there.
Going through the whole list. Missing a tripod, so we're trying to figure that out. But yeah, so far so good. Luckily, this came in handy so much. Everything has a home, so it came in handy. And it is very cold still, but we're almost done. We're almost out. Stream starts in about 14 hours. Damn, it's looking pretty nice. Look at that. Every set, every kid has a camera. Every kid has a Mr. Net. Every kid has everything it needs. So now we're just assigning tripods. Well, we're missing one. But yeah, it's probably be my last video because I gotta go home after this and set up for tomorrow. As in close, because I'll be gone for 3 days. Yeah. Okay. See when we come back.
At least that's what he thought. He struggled editing the entire vlog, so as of now this part will be uploaded. He is working on the second part, but at this rate, expect to see it next year. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see more and see you on the next vlog. Goodbye.